Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video we will talk about 5 annoying iPhone issues that are finally fixed. So guys, if you have used an iPhone for a while, you have probably dealt with a few annoying issues that keep popping up. The good news is Apple has finally fixed many of them and the difference is noticeable in everyday use. One of the biggest problems was battery drain. So guys, even with light usage the battery would drop quickly. Now with better background app management, your iPhone lasts longer and feels more efficient throughout the day. Overheating was another issue, especially during simple tasks, but improved performance control means your phone stays cooler and runs more smoothly. Notifications were also unreliable, sometimes delayed, sometimes missing, but they are now much more consistent and accurate. On the top of that, random app crashes and lag has been reduced thanks to better system stability, making everything feel faster and more responsive. Finally, connectivity issues like unstable Wi Fi have been improved so your internet connection is more reliable. Overall, these fixes might seem small, but together they make your iPhone experience smoother, faster, and far less frustrating. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.